Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can create onboarding workflows with automation in ClickUp. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the Spaces section. Choose the space where you want to create the onboarding workflow. The reason we do this is because each space in ClickUp can have its own workflows, which allows you to better organize your tasks. Next up, let's create a new list within this space. Click on the plus symbol and name your list Onboarding. This will act as a hub for all onboarding-related tasks, making it easy for you to manage everything in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to start adding tasks. Click on New Task. Give it a title and a description relevant to the onboarding process. You can also add assignees, due dates, and tags. The importance of this step lies in detailed task creation. The more specific and clear you are, the easier the onboarding process will be for new employees. After you've added all your tasks, let's move on to automating your workflow. Click on the Automation tab on the right side of your screen. Here, you can select Preset Automation or create your own. For onboarding, we recommend using a trigger like Task Created and an action like Assign Task. This helps us because it automatically assigns the onboarding tasks to new employees, saving you time and ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Finally, test your workflow by creating a test task to see if the automation works correctly. This crucial step ensures that your onboarding workflow functions as intended before you start using it with actual new hires. And that's it. You've created your own automated onboarding workflow in ClickUp. Remember, a well-planned and automated onboarding process can significantly improve the experience for new employees and save your team valuable time. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of ClickUp.